welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm super excited about this video because it's a continuation video from a previous video that I did on the hair paint wax, which is super popular right now. If you recall, I did the red hair color, and in that video I showed you the gold and the red and was like, you know, which one should I do right now, and I decided the red. So now it's time to show you guys how the gold is and what my thoughts are on that. So if you're interested in the tutorial and also getting my thoughts on what I liked and what I didn't like about it, stay tuned to the very end. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial.
Here's what the gold hair wax looks like. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I already have my wash and go products in it, and I'm just going to section off some hair, small sections, and apply the hair wax to the hair. I'm using a pretty generous amount just to make sure that the color does show up on my hair since my hair is darker. I highly recommend that you cover whatever area you're going to be working in with something like a towel, just to protect the space in case you do spill some of the wax. I also recommend that you have some paper towels or an old towel around just in case you need to wipe your hands off, especially if you're going to put this in more as like highlights. You don't want to mistakenly put the wax on sections of the hair that you don't intend to put the color on. As you guys know, in the red hair wax video that I did not put the wax all the way to my roots, but this time I decided, you know what, let me just try it with the gold and see how this turns out. So here's what it looks like now that I've applied the hair wax all over my hair and before I diffuse it. So next I'm just going to diffuse my hair so it can dry some. So I happen to look down at the diffuser and it's gold all over it, like everywhere. So you'll see in a second I'm going to try and wipe it off, and it does come off pretty easily, so that's a good sign that it'll come off easily out of my hair, and no damage will be done. So next I'm just going to fluff my hair a bit and show you guys what it looks like in the front and in the back. So then I started to notice that there was gold on my face, and as you can see on the side, it's like all over on the side. So I'm just like, no, that can't happen.
Alright, so I want to get your thoughts on this gold color. I know what my thoughts are. I'm not crazy about it. I really like the red one much better. I think part of the reason why I'm not crazy about the gold is because I don't know what they put in the gold, if it's metallic flakes or I don't know, but it was like shedding everywhere. It was like I had dandruff in 24 karat gold color. Cause like one day I wore a leather jacket. Well, let me say this. I kept it in for 4 days because it just was driving me crazy with the shedding. So one day I went to the movies. I went to see the Avengers, and you know that's a 3-hour movie. So by the time I got out of the movie theater and I had a all leather black leather jacket on, I looked to the left on my shoulder, and what did I see? Nothing but gold all over. And then I looked to the right, nothing but gold. So I just was like, yeah, we're gonna have to wash this out ASAP, because I cannot, I mean, well, look, I guess if you are gonna have dandruff and it's gonna flake and get places, it would, I guess, look better if it looked like 24 karat gold. But I mean, so who wants flakes anywhere of any kind? Not me. So yeah, I had to let that go. And then also too, I'm not sure that the gold complements my skin tone all that well. I honestly, if I was to put it in again, I think it would look really great as like highlights in my hair. But not the full head. And then that was the other thing. When I first put it in, like I was doing on the video, I was like going like all the way to the roots and stuff. That didn't look that great. So what I did is I put some water on the roots and got some of the gold off the roots, so you could still see the black roots, and then that gradual fade into the gold. But I don't know, I wasn't crazy about the gold. So let me know what y'all think down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you know when I post. And thanks for watching.